Okay, let's try now to use a song as a sample, as a pad, atmosphere, or whatever. It's just an example. But let's take this track, for example. And now that I tuned it to the song, let's play with it, and just as an example of just, you can take everything and every sound, every music, and just use it as sound. This is just frequency content that you have now. It's changing. It's obviously it's not a sine wave. It's a live sound, but now you have this texture, you have this timbre of this song that you can implement in yours, for example. So here I stretched this sample, just also because if you use the original one, it's just a little boring, but now this is also very psychedelic. Let's try and implement this into the track and see what the result will be. Just make it a little more weird. Now we added a pad to the song that I don't think anyone would even recognize that it's from the song.